Sounds like somebody may be going to court. Stay tuned. God bless you, friends. Thank you for joining me this Tuesday morning on Morning Nuggets. This is yours truly, Pastor Nate, and it is my absolute pleasure every time I come and speak with you. I pray that this video finds you exceptionally well. Sounds like somebody is going to court. Yes, friend, that's what I've been hearing. Now, I don't know if that's true or not, but somebody said they are ready to go. I'm talking about the situation regarding the alleged accuser who is in Atlanta, Georgia, the cigar vlogger, his team, and the alleged victim. I have no issue with none of them. I'm hearing that court may be in session. Ooh. One of the content creators said that they are prepared to go with their flights, and I think he's got his hotel ready.
Because you're going to have to show up in court, okay, to deal with Mr. Larry Reed Live. We already have my plane tickets booked. We already got my room booked.
And then Earl Carter said that he wants to go to court. He didn't necessarily say that he is going to court, but he says he wants to go to court. He wants the accused to take him to court.
No, I'm not going to even say it allegedly. I'm not saying allegedly, because I want to go to court. I want to go to court. Take me to court. You wrote all those letters. Take Earl Carter to court.
My God, he's a mess. He is confident in his position. Then, of course, you have Mr. Daryl Moore, the cigar vlogger, saying that there has to be some legwork. We don't even have a court date. Due to the COVID-19, there may not even be court until next year.
I don't see how you can fly in here for a court case when I haven't been served. There's been no court date set. None of the stuff that people that have gone to school know must take place before a trial can happen. And with COVID and all this other stuff going on, the earliest you might see a courtroom is first of next year.
So I don't know, y'all. Anybody who understands the law, let me know. Leave it in the comment section. I'd be interested to hear what you have to say. You have one person who says they're ready for court. You have another saying, take me to court. I want to be subpoenaed. You have another one saying, there is no court. We don't even have a date yet. You're going to make a blank trip to Ohio for nothing. And I have another question, friend. We have all these places all over the map. You saw my thumbnail as to where court will take place. Do you think court will take place in Ohio, where the cigar vlogger is? That's what we're led to believe. Do you think court will take place in Atlanta, Georgia? Or do you think court will take place in the states where cease and desist recipients live? Texas, Florida? Could it take place where the alleged victims live or where the alleged situation took place? North Carolina. Those of you who know the law, leave me a comment. I don't know. All I know is one person says that they're ready to go to court. If court happens to take place, I am concerned that Pandora's box may even open up more. You know, when you go to court, more things are dug up. Ooh, my goodness. That's my concern. Now, there's a scripture, Matthew 10 and 17. You know, I wouldn't be Pastor Nate if I don't attach a scripture to what I'm talking about. It says, beware, for you will be handed over to the courts and will be flogged with whips in the synagogue. Now, that's very harsh. Back in those days, in biblical times, the offenders would get hit and they would get whipped and scourged. Punishment was very harsh. Nowadays, it's not so much physical, but your reputation is hit. your endeavors, your business deals can take a hit, and your reputation can go down. And that's why the scripture says, beware. So having said that, if it were me, I would probably get all the interested parties together to try to come up with some type of resolution and work it out before going through courts and spending all that money. But everybody seems so confident in their position, and the stories are conflicting among parties. So that lets me know somebody is lying. So if court does take place and all these parties are saying different things, we're going to find out what the truth is. Again, I'd rather work it out before court, because you have to travel, you have to subpoena people, you have to spend all these court fees, and court is very expensive. So I look at it like that. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Friend, I want to thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed and you're getting value from these videos and you want to hear more of these exhortations, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know when Pastor Nate uploads a video, and you'll know when he goes live. Tonight at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, we're still talking about hospitality. Last Tuesday, we had a great time. You guys were in the building, you were in the chat. It was very interactive. You posted your questions, your comments, your beliefs about certain things. I really enjoyed it. Tonight, we're going to talk about part 2 of hospitality. Last week, we saw what bad hospitality and good hospitality, or service, because we're supposed to be servants, what that looks like. Yeah, from a customer service standpoint, from a church standpoint, being ushers on the hospitality committee. If you're an influencer or content creator, and when we come in the chat, how do your moderators make us feel? So we just kind of went across the board and talked about that with some biblical principles, and it was very interesting. I want you to come on in the house, okay? At 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. I want to see some new faces. Friend, don't meet me there, beat me there. In the meantime, in between time, be at peace and not in pieces. And I will see you tonight.